Hey guys, today I'm gonna I'm gonna bake my face. Fuck. I'm gonna cake my. Hi guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I can't speak today. I'm gonna show you guys how to cake your face like a pro. I'm gonna show you guys how I make myself look 20 times more presentable, so I don't know if you guys are into that. Keep watching. I already moisturized my face, so I'm just taking the MAC Studio Fix foundation, the one that I always use. Wow, my mirror is dirty. I need some music. So step 1 of caking your face like a pro, you gotta do your foundation, dab that shit with that beauty blender into your face, and listen to Why Don't We? Obviously, they're fucking dope, so it's the only way you can look like a pro. So then I'm just taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and putting that literally everywhere because imperfections. And then, yeah, literally put so much on that you literally look like James Charles. So step 3 of caking your face like a pro, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Translucent Setting Powder, and I am baking under my eyes, and making sure not to choke, even though I do. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick off your leftover mascara from 2 nights ago, and then you're going to use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and then carve out your eyebrows, make them really on fleek, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I tried doing that thing, but obviously I'm just disgusting and it didn't work, so I hate myself.
Holy shit, that was good.
Then you want to do your eyeshadow and obviously take the James Charles palette. Actually, not quite obviously because some people don't like him. I wasn't about to throw my palette away. Whatever, we're over that. Anyways, I can't decide on a color, so yeah, I take about 10 years to decide, and then finally I decide because I'm obsessed. So I don't want to get copyrighted. Enjoy my awful dancing. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the Ardell 213 double up lashes. I think that's what they're called. They're amazing. So yeah, obviously I can't put lashes on camera, so you know, just enjoy these clips, I guess. Okay, so apparently I already put on my other lash. Okay. So I'm just taking a mascara just from the drugstore just to blend in my real lashes that are non-existent to the fake eyelashes that I applied. Really self-explanatory. I don't really know why I'm explaining this. You can see. But yeah, honestly, if you don't stab yourself in the eye with a mascara wand, like, are you even a pro? Like, to be real. One of the most important steps is making your lashes look like spider legs. So just make sure you really just like stab that mascara wand into your lashes and just make the spider legs appearable. So yeah. So then I'm just taking the MAC Contour Kit, Studio Fix Contour Kit, I think. Just taking this taupe color and bronzing the shit out of my face. Make sure you really just like dig in to the palette so you get a lot of product on there, and then you carve out those cheekbones, make them sharp as a bitch. Basically how you gotta do it, you know? Also make sure that you're using a tone that is good for your skin. You don't want to look like, you know who, not gonna say, but he looks like a Cheeto. Yeah, you don't want to be walking around like that, so use like a more brown tone contour so it looks like a shadow rather than a Cheeto on your face, you know. Also, I've been doing this a lot lately. I've been giving myself faux freckles because I'm so jealous of anyone who actually has natural freckles. They're so cute, and I think this gives like a good look. I love it, so. With my MAC translucent setting powder, I'm going to just be baking under my contour to really define that cheekbone. So then I'm just taking the Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlight by MAC. I always forget the name of this, it's so long. And just highlighting the shit out of my face. you're gonna want to do is wipe away the bake. Yeah, you really don't want to look like a fucking loser. Then you're gonna want to set your face. I'm just using a cheap one from Palladio. Yeah, just spray the fuck out of your face. Then, as you guys probably know, I'm taking my favorite lipstick ever. It's Honey Love by MAC. Honestly, just go for a nude lipstick because everyone loves a good nude. Steps to caking your face like a pro is if you're blind as shit, clean your glasses. Yeah.
This is the finished look that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Fuck, I gotta go to work. Okay. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.